Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Step into the entranceway of this delightful home and be greeted with such awe. Enjoy high-end finishes throughout the lower level of this spacious home. The ground floor consists of an inviting entranceway with marble tiles, two extremely large bedrooms with large walk-in closets, two oversized bathrooms, two car garage with plenty of storage space, laundry room, half bath, built-in water tank, and stairway that leads upstairs. Located in the quiet community of Mountainside, St. Elizabeth, although unfinished, this delightful and spacious split-level home offers so many amenities you will be impressed. Large kitchen, living and dining room, storeroom, powder room, and so much more. The upper floor will facilitate a master bedroom ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, and a side porch, family room, kitchen, two other bedrooms with closets, one bathroom, laundry room, and back porch. The property features a lovely view of surrounding estates, the Wigton windmills, and a beautiful mountainous landscape. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 39 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.